Hello traders, welcome to another gold price prediction video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on the basis of price action behavior, and from the chart you can see that we already plotted some major support, resistance and some trend line also, and we already discussed these level and trend line in recent prediction video. So those who have been following me, they know that I already predicted that 1792 is a major, you can say, resistance in the buying side, and if it is not able to hold on 1792, we can see a sharp decline toward 1778 1779 zone, and it already tested this zone today in today's trading session. So the yesterday's video idea comes true, and those who have been following me, they know that we already discussed these level. So now let's just focus on the coming trading sessions, because as you know that the gold trader are currently focusing on the Fed policy meeting that is due today, and also the meeting of Friday US labor market report is also important in terms of fundamental aspects. But from the report we can see, as these fundamentals are due today and in Friday session also, but as you can see, gold already made a low of 1778 today, and we can say, and some analysts are saying that a hawkish Fed meeting could send real yield higher and would likely encourage the DXY to break above recent high in the mid 94 zone, so which would not be a good combo for gold, or we can say that gold might still trade lower after the Fed meeting decision. But those are the fundamental, we have to keep an eye on those fundamental also. But from the technical point of view, we can say that currently gold is trading lower to this zone, and 1792 is a major you can say resistance in buying side. So we have to focus on this level, and if gold is, gold 4-hour candle close below the 1778 level, then we can say that, if because you can see that this is a major support in downside, and you know that gold is coming back from this level 2 times. So from the chart structure we can say that this is a double bottom structure, and we can say that gold might rebound to over this level again. But from the current price action behavior, you can see that the main focus should be over this zone, which is on the trend line zone, that is at around 1790 to 1792. And from the volume profile you can see that here this is the major resistance in terms of buying side, so we have to focus on this zone also, and this is the major, you can say, support, and we can look for buy after the 1792 breakout zone. But if it is not able to break out the 1792 zone, then we can see another retest of this level, which is at around 1778 to 1780 level, and if it is able to break out the 1778 and 1780 level, we can see a decline toward the lower side, and we can expect it to touch this zone, which is at around 1760 in coming trading sessions. So this is the current you can say analysis on gold chart for coming trading session. So we will discuss more about gold analysis in another video. So thank you and good luck.